In the arrangement of the figure, assume negligible friction acts between the block and the table, and the masses are m1 and m2 are attached with the help of a certain part. Okay, over here. Now let us consider the mass m2. Let us see the forces on m2. The force that is applied on the right hand side is equal to F. Now there will be a normal force, or say it is as a tension force, which acts in the left hand side direction over here. This force will be divided into two parts, that is equal to n by 2 and n by 2 over here. Now the only force that acts on the mass m1 is equal to n by 2 in the right hand side direction. If I draw the free body diagram of m2, it will be this diagram. So basically over here, F minus n will be equal to m2 into a. Okay, F minus n will be equal to m2 into a, and on mass m1 there is only one force which acts, that is n by 2. So n by 2 will be equal to m1 into a. So basically n will be equal to, or m1 into, if the acceleration of the first m2 is equal to a, the acceleration of m1 will be equal to twice. Okay, so basically it will be equal to 2 times a, or a into 2. Okay, so over here n1 will be equal to 4 times m1 into a. Okay, it will be equal to 4 times m1 into a. So over here when I substitute the values over here in the first equation, so F minus 4m1a will be equal to m2a. So F will be equal to 4m1 plus m2 into a. Okay, so a will be equal to F divided by 4 times m1 plus m2. Okay, now we have got the acceleration over here. It is equal to 4 times m1 it is equal to F divided by 4 times m1 plus m2. Now I have to calculate the value of n by 2. That is, they have asked what is the tension in the string. If you see, the tension in the string is equal to n by 2. So since I have to calculate the value of n by 2, it will be equal to 2 times m1 into a. Now the a over here is given as F divided by 4 times m1 plus m2. Okay, 4 times m1 plus the value of m2. So when I rearrange the term, I can simply write this as 2m1 into F divided by 2m1 into F divided by 4m1 plus m2, which is option number C.